Are you tired of searching for ways to make money online, only to be disappointed by scammy or confusing advice? What if you could start making real money from the comfort of your own home with simple and legit methods? In this video, we'll break down 8 legit and effective ways for beginners to start earning money online, all while sharing the steps you need to follow to get started today. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of the best money-making opportunities online for beginners. So let's dive right in. 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the most accessible and profitable ways to make money online. If you have a passion for writing or a knack for expressing ideas clearly, freelance writing can open doors to a steady income. From blogging and content creation to copywriting and technical writing, there's always a demand for skilled writers. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easier to find clients and start building your portfolio. What's great about freelance writing is that it doesn't require any upfront investment. You can get started with just a laptop and an internet connection. As a beginner, you can start with small jobs and gradually increase your rates as your skills improve. The key to success in freelance writing is consistency. Clients are always looking for writers who can deliver quality work on time, and building a reputation for being reliable will make a big difference. Once you've gained some experience, you can start targeting higher-paying niches like tech, finance, and healthcare. Over time, you can even specialize in certain writing types or industries to increase your earning potential. 2. Video editing. If you're interested in working with videos, video editing is an excellent skill that's in high demand. Whether it's editing YouTube videos, short social media clips, or full-length films, skilled video editors are constantly needed. Learning the ins and outs of editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro can take some time, but it's worth it for the opportunities available. You can start by editing small videos for friends or creating sample reels to showcase your talent. As you build your portfolio, you can start charging more for your services, working with bigger clients, and even collaborating with content creators on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. The beauty of video editing is that it's highly adaptable to various niches and industries. You can work with individual creators, businesses, or advertising agencies. Plus, with the rise of online content creation, the demand for video editors will only grow, making this a great career path for beginners. 3. Social media management. Social media management is an excellent way to make money online if you're a savvy user of platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Many businesses, especially small ones, need help managing their social media presence, but can't afford a full-time in-house team. This is where you come in. By offering social media management services, you can create content, schedule posts, and engage with followers on behalf of your clients. Not only does this help businesses grow, but it's also a great way to earn a steady income, especially if you manage multiple clients. As a beginner, you can learn about social media management through online courses or by offering free services to a local business to build your portfolio. Once you feel confident, you can start charging for your services. You don't need to have a massive following yourself to get started. What's important is understanding what makes great content and how to build a community around a brand. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money by promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. This is a great way for beginners to earn passive income because once you've set up your affiliate links, you can continue earning from them without much additional work. Affiliate marketing can be done on your blog, YouTube channel, or even social media. Companies like Amazon, Share a Sale, and ClickBank offer affiliate programs for people who want to promote their products. What makes affiliate marketing so attractive is that it requires little to no upfront investment. You can start by promoting products you already use and trust, and as you gain more experience, you can partner with bigger brands to increase your earning potential. The key to success with affiliate marketing is choosing a niche, creating valuable content, and building trust with your audience. The more targeted your audience, the higher your chances of earning commissions from affiliate sales. 5. Online tutoring. Do you excel in a particular subject or skill? If so, online tutoring could be a great way to share your knowledge and earn money. With platforms like VIP Kid, tutor.com, and Chegg Tutors, you can start teaching students online and help them with subjects ranging from math and science to language learning. Not only is tutoring a rewarding way to make money, but it's also a flexible job that you can do from anywhere. As a beginner, it's important to specialize in a subject that you're confident in teaching. If you're passionate about a subject, your enthusiasm will help motivate students, making your sessions more engaging. You can also set your own rates based on your experience and the level of education you're offering, whether you're tutoring elementary school students or college-level students. 6. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without keeping any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. This allows you to run an e-commerce store without the need for upfront inventory investment. Dropshipping can be started with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, and you can use social media ads or Google ads to drive traffic to your store. One of the biggest advantages of dropshipping is the low startup cost. All you need is an online store and a marketing strategy. However, the downside is that the competition is fierce, and success often depends on finding the right niche, targeting the right audience, and providing excellent customer service. The key to succeeding in dropshipping is creating a unique selling proposition, USP, and focusing on quality products and customer experience to stand out in the crowded e-commerce space. 7. Virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants, VAs, are becoming increasingly popular as businesses look for ways to outsource administrative tasks. As a VA, you can help clients with a variety of tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling customer service, and more. This is an excellent way to make money online, especially if you have strong organizational skills and enjoy helping others. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners rely on VAs to keep their operations running smoothly, which means there's a consistent demand for these services. Getting started as a virtual assistant is simple. There are plenty of courses and resources available to teach you the necessary skills. Once you've learned the ropes, you can start offering services to small businesses and gradually scale your client base. The earning potential depends on the level of work you're doing, but experienced virtual assistants can charge a premium for their services. 8. Content creation, YouTube, blogging, podcasting. Content creation is one of the most exciting ways to make money online, especially in 2026, with so many platforms to choose from. Whether it's through YouTube videos, a personal blog, or podcasting, content creators have the potential to earn money from ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling their own products. The best part? You can start content creation with minimal equipment, and as your audience grows, so can your income. Building a successful content creation career takes time, consistency, and creativity. However, with platforms like YouTube offering monetization options through ads and sponsored content, it's possible to turn a passion into a profitable business. If you're consistent with creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you can build a loyal following and create a sustainable source of income over time. There you have it. 8 legitimate ways for beginners to start making money online in 2026. Each method comes with its own set of challenges, but with the right approach, dedication, and consistency, you can turn these opportunities into a profitable venture. Whether you choose freelance writing, affiliate marketing, or content creation, the online world is full of potential for those willing to put in the work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Let us know in the comments which method you're most excited to try, and feel free to ask any questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to making money online starts with the first step. So start today.